get request method. You need to this method for reading your existing library, your existing customers. For this, you need to create method with return type of list customers, where we just return from our customer repository all customers. Let's check how it works in our Postman. We will go to our Postman, we take get method request, we send, and we see all customers what we have inside our database. We have only 3 customers with name, emails, and age. And if you're interested in how it works, why we see and why this command work, we have a customer repository interface which extends JPA repository, and if we open it, we will see it extend list CRUD repository, and inside it we will check we have one implementation. It's find all, one method find all, which help us to find all existing and return all existing list customers. Yes, that's all.